y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. Do a little bit of everything here, from subscription boxes, product reviews, hauls. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We would love to have you. And y'all, don't forget, we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. We have our holiday giveaway that ends on Thanksgiving at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the giveaway hosted by Glamour Jewelry Box that ends on December 10th. Both will be linked down below in the description. Should definitely check it out if you have not already. But as you can see, today we have the November 2020 Smartass Sass. So I do want to go ahead and say, because this is Smartass Sass, just from the name, you're going to notice that I may say things I don't typically say. So if it's not really your forte, or you have little ears around, things like that, you may want to come back and watch the video later. Or like I said, if it's not really your style, then you may want to go ahead and close. But I do think it is a fun box. I think it's quirky and fun and just always interesting, and love it. I love the sayings even just on the outside of the box. Classy, sassy, and a bit smartassy. That's me. Well-behaved women seldom make history. So let's cut this open and see what we got for November. I do want to say thank you so very much to Smartass Sass. They do send this to me for review, so I do appreciate it. All right. So when we open it up, we have our little book, and I can see some stuff down in there. All right, so our theme for November 2020 is hibernation mode. This month's subscription, we will celebrate getting cozy in the comfort of your own home. Fall and winter highlight the homebody sides in us, and we've got some fun items to help you settle in. November is all about chillaxing in your personal space. December's theme is You Got This. It says this month's subscription will honor the kick-ass lady that you are as you say bye Felicia to 2020. This is the time to start planning how you'll slay next year. December is all about supporting you with sassy motivation. Yes. Bye Felicia. There's a lot more I'd like to say to 2020. All right, so let's just dive in. We're going to get started. They do give product information as well as pricing, so I do appreciate that. A little bit about Smartass Sass really quick. They offer 3 different subscriptions. They have a t-shirt subscription. It's going to have like a sassy saying on it. Then they have the box of goods, and then they have the t-shirt and the box of goods. So there's 3 different levels depending on what you would like and your budget. I will put a link for Smartass Sass down below along with a promo code. So let's get in here. And the first thing right here on top is a pin, and this says multi-slacking. So this is the multi-slacking pin from Smartass Sass. Keep an eye open because pin thieves will be on the prowl. This purple Bic Click pin has a nickel-plated clip and trim. The multi-slacking pin is perfect for your daily shit to-do list. $3. So this is where sometimes they do stickers, they do pins, they do different things. I have one that says adult-ish in like a teal color. Love it. Use it all the time. So I'm glad to have another pin from them. The pins are really, really good. All right. And then let's see. We have got, I love this. Okay. Let me get it out of the plastic. So this is an eye mask, and it says, "Go away, I'm introverting," but it has the gel beads, and it is very velvety smooth here on the back, an adjustable thing, so depending on how big your noggin is, it'll work, or regardless of how big your noggin is. This is a lime green ultra soft eye mask. It has an easy elastic strap with a hook and loop closure for maximum security on your noggin. Microwave for warm therapy or freeze for cold therapy. P.S. It's great for hangover headaches. $12. I like this because it does have these beads. You, like they said, you can heat it up or put it in the freezer to cool it, but it also gives it some weight. So when you put it on, if you're having a headache, I think it will help with that. So I'm actually really excited about this. And plus it just says go away. All right. Let's see what else we have. Shut up, I'm reading. Let me find this. Where is it at? Oh, it's back here. This box got a lot of things in it. Sassy bookmarks from Letterpress. Don't you dare make me lose my place on the page. Talking is too much. Reading is just right. Passerby better know. And there's one that's also books are greater than people. And then because people who fold page corners go to hell. So it's a set of 3 valued at $4. Oh. What is this? All right, so we have got some hand soaps, y'all, but they say chill pill, 200 milligram. Chill pill soaps by Wizard at Work. Anyone ever wanted to say, take a chill pill? This is the set of 3 chill pills, moisturizing novelty soaps. Each one is about 1 ounce. We chose spiced apple cider because, well, 'tis the season. $7. So we have got some chill pills here, and let's see. Spiced apple cider soap. Let's give them a sniff. Oh, I definitely smell it. I definitely smell it. It smells good. I love that. Chill pill. I may just keep these near me at all time. It's just like, here, go wash, do something. Take a chill pill. And then let's see, we have got hibernation mode socks from Smartass Sass. These are so cute. They have got like all kinds of bears. These rockin' socks will make you feel cozy in any weather. Women's cotton crew socks, 1 size fits most. Hibernation mode featuring constellations and bears, $12 value. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. All right. And then let's see. We have got... we have a koozie, and it says, let that shiitake go. So y'all, just let that shit go is what it's saying, okay? Let that shiitake go. Let it go. It's not worth it. It's not worth your energy, girl. Bye. Bye, Felicia. Just saying. All right. And then we have, I'm tired. Let me reach about koozie. Let That Shiitake Go Can Cooler by Moonlight Makers. Fits your average 12-ounce can or a tall boy if you're about it. In the Seafoam Green Premium Foam Koozie to let loose. Sip your stress away. $7. All right, and then this is the I'm Already Tired Tomorrow Pillow Sachet by Smartass Sass. Catch some heavenly Z's with the aroma of this mini sachet. Place under your pillow for a good night's sleep or toss in a drawer to keep your clothes smelling divine. Contains organic osmanthus. I'm not sure what that is. And it's a $7 value. I'm wondering and almost positive that because it's a sleep associated product, the scent is going to be lavender. If y'all know me, yeah, that's not for me. So this will be in a future giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. And then let's see. We have got, there's a lot in here this month. This is awesome. 4 faux leather coasters. Alcohol, a great alternative to hating everyone. Alcohol is a great alternative. Coasters by Fun Club. When you've dealt with too many people in one day, kick your feet up and put your beverages on this kick-ass faux leather coaster. 4x4 4-pack, $20 value. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. And let's see. We've got, let's make some room here. Now we've got a sticker. Got out of bed sticker from Primitives by Kathy. I love Primitives by Kathy. Pat yourself on the back, champ. You got out of bed today, and that's definitely worth something. Durable and long-lasting, great for laptops, water bottles, and more, and it's a $3 value. I definitely earned this. I love that. Oh, you can't see it, but my laptop is right here, and a sticker on the back of the monitor part says Nap Queen. All right, so it looks like we have one more item here, and it says, Don't You Forget About Me Planter by Smartass Sass. Since plants can't talk, it's right here. This planter will scream for them. Smartass Sass designed this custom cement planter just for subscribers. It's packaged in a box to ensure no breakage or shakeage. And this is a $10 value. Y'all, this is the cutest planter I've ever seen. Don't you forget about me? Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to have to find a plant to put in here. I don't care if it's fake. This is just so cute. So that is everything in our November 2020 hibernation mode, Smartass and Sass. I always end smiling and laughing anytime I open this box. Like I said, I will put a link down below, so definitely check them out along with a promo code to save you a little bit of money. I can't say enough about Smartass and Sass, y'all. It's always just an amazing box. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what next month will be with that. Bye, Felicia. I'm excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought of the box and the products. Special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. I hope you guys do know. And guys, just being here, I appreciate. It helps me out more than I could ever express. So thank you so very much. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.